It's been a little while since I made a fishing video, so I figured I'd start the year off with a scalloping trip, since last year all my videos are kind of blending together and starting to look the same. I know it's getting boring catching the same fish every trip, so I finally got the boat back. Everything's fishable again. I've been doing charters for the last few months. We got a new tower. Still got plenty of room in this big old skiff. New design. Today I'm going to take my family out and some friends, try out the new ladder and swim platform. So we'll see how the 2023 Scallop season is out there. I'll try to show you guys what boat ramps we use. I'll try to show you what to look for, and I'll try to give you guys some local knowledge. We'll see what's out there. I'll try to show you exactly where we're scalloping, that way you guys know where to go. And the best part about scalloping is you get to bring your wife with you. You get some PB&J sandwiches. What you got up here? Cheetos and toast.
You're weird.
I don't know what to say.
Yeah, hi to the puppies.
You got peanut butter on their shirt.
Stop.
What's up, Brody?
Ready to go scalloping.
Gonna get some scallops. Got my wife Kelly. We're gonna go down a Zello trail today to avoid all the crazy crowds. To show you the secrets to the local knowledge for avoiding Crystal River scallopers. There's a little bit of a windy road here, but get you out of the crowds of Crystal River. See you at the boat ramp. 9 o'clock, pulling up to the boat ramp now. It's called John Brown Boat Ramp in Ozello. See how busy it is at 9 o'clock. On 4th of July. This is the busiest I've ever seen it. Usually avoid crowds here. Not so much today. At least there's not a line to launch your boat. There's just no parking. Beautiful place. Look at our spotter, he found a couple.
I'm standing.
Yeah, you standing?
Yeah. Go get it. That's it. Good job.
So the key to finding a lot of scallops out here is you want to find the thinnest, brownest grass where you can see through the grass the best and see the scallops. So the area we just stopped in, I've only found 2 scallops, but the grass is very green and longer. So what I like to do is I keep moving until I find the thinnest grass possible. And obviously you could move 100 yards and it changes everything. So a lot of times you want to just keep repositioning yourself till you see better of what you're looking for, and then you find more. They're probably here, you just can't see them as well. So we're going to keep moving until we can show you guys what I'm talking about. I'm looking for the brown thin grass. There's one right there. I did it. I did it. It's right there. It's right there. Look at it. Right there. Okay. fun?
Yeah.
Let's see your bag. Yeah, you did all right. You catch a couple, Brian? All of our hard work for that little bag.
What do you get?
What do you think, Kelly? Everyone's tired.
Yes.